Hello, fellow travelers. If you're craving an adventure that's truly unforgettable, let me introduce you to the magic of an Alaska cruise. Imagine waking up to glaciers outside your window and exploring wild landscapes, all from the comfort of a floating hotel. Unlike other trips, Alaska's scale is breathtaking. Mountains that touch the sky, endless forests, and wildlife at every turn. A cruise makes it easy. Unpack once and let the adventure come to you. Whether you're a family, a couple, or a solo explorer, Alaska welcomes everyone. Choose your own pace, thrilling excursions, or quiet moments watching whales from your balcony. This guide will help you plan the trip of a lifetime, from what to see to what to pack. We'll cover the best times to go, the sights you can't miss, and the flavors you'll want to try. An Alaska cruise isn't just a vacation, it's a story waiting to be written. Let's get started on your next great adventure. Alaska's true stars are its glaciers, wildlife, and charming port towns. Witness glaciers like Hubbard and Glacier Bay, massive rivers of ice that crack and thunder as they calve into the sea. Your ship brings you up close for a front row seat to nature's power. Keep your eyes peeled for humpback whales breaching, orcas gliding, and bald eagles soaring overhead. Onshore, you might spot brown bears fishing for salmon. Each port town is unique. Ketchikan's totem poles, Juneau's mountain backdrop, and Skagway's gold rush history. The Inside Passage offers endless views of fjords, forests, and snow-capped peaks. Find a spot on deck, breathe in the crisp air, and watch the scenery unfold. Every moment feels like a scene from a nature documentary, except you're living it. Alaska's wild beauty will leave you in awe. Alaska's food scene is an adventure in itself, with fresh seafood taking center stage. Don't miss wild-caught salmon. Grilled, smoked, or baked, it's the best you'll ever taste. Try a classic salmon bake or feast on king crab legs, simply steamed and served with butter. Halibut and chips are a local favorite, perfect after a day exploring. Warm up with reindeer sausage or a hearty bowl of soup. For dessert, sample treats made with local berries, blueberries, lingonberries, and more. Alaska's craft breweries offer unique beers, often flavored with local ingredients like spruce tips. Step off the ship and savor the authentic flavors of the last frontier. Every meal is a taste of Alaska's wild spirit. Choosing when to cruise Alaska is all about what you want to experience. May and early June offer long sunny days and blooming wildflowers. Peak season, late June through August, brings the warmest weather, bustling towns, and prime wildlife viewing. Salmon runs attract bears, and outdoor adventures abound. For fewer crowds and a chance to see fall colors or the northern lights, cruise in late August or September. Each month has its own magic, from snow-capped peaks to golden forests. Decide what excites you most. Endless daylight, wildlife, or autumn's glow. No matter when you go, Alaska will amaze you. Every season promises a unique and unforgettable journey. Packing for Alaska is all about layers. Weather can change fast. Bring a base layer, a warm middle layer, and a waterproof outer jacket. Comfortable, waterproof shoes are essential for exploring both ship and shore. Don't forget warm socks, a hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen. The sun can be strong even on cloudy days. Binoculars and a camera with zoom will help you capture wildlife and scenery. A reusable water bottle keeps you hydrated and eco-friendly. But popular excursions in advance, they fill up quickly. Most importantly, bring a sense of adventure and an open mind. Alaska will inspire and amaze you at every turn.